go again. Working on the Defender. We're going to put in a new tray on the back. It's the alloy tray I bought. So we cut this one down. Cut this one down here to 2.1 meters. Alloy tray compared to the old steel one. There's the old steel one just in the background there, a bit rusted. And we're just doing the pressure watch here. This is my brother, Mouse Cross Workshop. Cleaned it up here. It's going to be good. It's going to be really good. Hey, here we go. MH1 Able here again. Just showing you the back of the car. We did the big wash down just before there. Now it's reasonably cleaned up. Obviously little bits of just spot rust there. We've just been looking how to put some rails on here, build a new frame for the tray to go on. So here's the tray up here, aluminium tray. So just briefly mentioned we've got to cut that down a little bit, otherwise it'll be good to go. Yeah, looking good. And then try and sort out this wiring mess at the back here. There seems to be a lot more wires than what you should have. You just, like a brake light, tail light, indicator, reverse light, whatever. The wires hanging everywhere there, so we'll sort that out. You can see here, changed all the suspension type bushings there, new rubbers down in there, that new knuckle on the top, all sorts of things. The shockies there. And I think I mentioned in the last video, I had to send the car away. So I got the new fuel pump put in, all tuned up, and like a new fuel filter, new belts. Had to get a new fan housing down in here because it was cracked. The alloy fan, if you know the 300 TDIs. So it added a little bit extra to the cost, which anyway, it's all good now, so at least it's good, reliable. Things are really going, it's starting to come together. I mean, Defender. I think I showed in the... Much better. Here we go, a little bit of a hiccup with the memory card. So I got the silicone hoses on here. There's no real leaks happening. The engine really run well, starting up, runs really well. So it's really coming along well. The old Defender. I'm looking forward to getting this tray on soon. Get the tray on soon and organise a couple of things, do a spare wheels and stuff, and then be going on a trip, maybe just a short trip down the coast. Rightio. Here I am back again after a video where we're washing and grinding and stuff like that. We just got the tray just sitting on there at the moment. We're just checking the length and where the mounting points will go. It's looking pretty good. This is a 2.1 meter on the tray there, 2.1 meter, and it's just 1800 wide, so it's just a fraction wider than what the cab of the vehicle is, but that's okay. Plenty of trays are like that. Oh, it's starting to rain. So just looking from the back here, looks pretty good. And obviously it sticks out a bit at the back here. That's okay too. So we've got to put another mounting point. You can see down there the piece of steel, one mounting point, and then another mounting point out here to brace back, and then sort out this mess of wiring that's still hanging here. So fit the lights back in. A few small things to do which will take time, like the fuel filler cap on the old tray was on the old vehicle was down in there. We got to cut this out, fit that up in there. Otherwise, looking really good. Okay, see you again shortly. Hey, MH1 Able just back again. Just showing you the last part of fitting that tray under the car. Here's the old tray, here's the old rusty tray here. Old steel one. And we've got the yellow one fitted in. Here's where we had to cut the back. Cut it, shorten it up to make it a bit shorter. 2 meter tray now. And we're just looking at fixing up the wiring here. There's all a big rat's nest of wiring, big mess under here before. Sorting out the wires. And over on this side, a couple of wires don't work. There's some issue. That's why it would seem to be the previous owner had a whole heap of other wires crossing over and stuff, so we're sorting that out. And now we'll go back up in here, got the slots here. So nearly finished, just another hour or so's work. There's the book there to try and sort out the wiring. Looking at wiring diagrams, and yeah, found a blown fuse, all sorts of things, so it's working out pretty well. With this space underneath here, right there with this big space underneath, just looking at how we might be able to fit a water tank up in there, so you can see that. So we'll see how that goes, fit a water tank in there, try. And the normal thing might just look at putting a toolbox or something in the back here. Wait and see, so here it goes. Really happy with the way it worked out. A bit time consuming, but a real reasonably straightforward job. That's it. So hopefully soon I'll be able to go on a bit of a trip there. Am I trying to label? Just remember to stay ready, stay alert, endure to the end, particularly in these crazy times that we're living. Bye bye for now.